Hello, everyone. My name is Elia Zulaika from Institut Teknologi 10 November, Surabaya, Indonesia. I'm honored to be here today as the presenter for this conference. Over the next 5 minutes, I will be presenting an analysis of 5 case studies that demonstrate how empathy can be used to drive innovation in design. Design thinking, or DT, is widely used to drive innovation in companies. It is a human-centered problem-solving approach used in various domains such as product design, user experience design, and service design. DT prioritize empathy with users to uncover latent needs and develop solutions that fit their circumstances. However, companies often skip this process because empathy cannot immediately solve problems, is time and resource consuming, and is hindered by the cognitive bias that company believes they already know what user or customer wants. Research shows that empathy can address user pain point and drive innovation. Yeah, but it remains unclear how an experienced corporate employee would conduct the empathy process and what challenge they may face. So usually an external consultant who identify what is need by users. While in this paper, I present how the internal employee do the empathy process within the company. This article presents 5 case studies of empathy process of the DT project in Indonesia carried out by postgraduate students who work in companies with at least 2 years of experience and one of them with over 10 years experience in the company. Researchers conducted 1 to 2 hour in-depth interview to analyze persona typologies during a 1 or 2 months empathy process. They also led a focus group discussion and analyzed the verbatim data pattern that emerged after the transferring the data. As an employee of the company, all researchers were granted access to company data, permission to conduct the study during working hours, and ease of communication with stakeholders. Result shows that DT helps companies identify assumptions hindering their project, as shown in 5 case study. In case A is a bank marketing plan for ultra micro entrepreneur. In-depth interview with 8 business informants revealed that physical barrier to banking services were not a concern. Instead, mental obstacles such as a lack of financial literacy were identified. 2 types of users were also identified, which are the daily passer and the persistent fighter. The project recommends financial literacy improvement strategies, such as using a dummy banking application to address these obstacles. In case B, it is involve an online parenting community platform developed by a software company aiming for growth. However, the platform's features have not significantly increased the user numbers. So then, the empathy process to 7 informants revealed 3 types of parents' behavior and recommends a new customization feature based on user preference and behavior, which are the observer, the contributor, and the endorser rather than just a parent. In case C, it is about a tourist area with a unique geological phenomenon of never-ending flames. The DT project aimed to develop a strategy to increase visitors and stimulate the local economy. The researcher classified tourists into 3 groups. They are the family lovers, the officers, and the adventurer. The project recommends new innovation to accommodate the different user typologies identified. And then the next case D, is the Indonesian Footwear Network project. It is an online ecosystem for the footwear industry created by the government that has attracted only 80 partners in 3 years, despite the 18,800 business units in Indonesia that should join. So, in this case study, the platform is deemed ineffective due to confusing registration, inadequate user interface, and too many features causing user confusion. Research suggests a dynamic platform with features that meet the needs of 5 key stakeholders, including a quick registration system, a collect and go feature, and an EFN lab. And then the last one is case E, the e-contract for accelerating the digital transformation process. Case E involves a state-owned enterprise that is developing a digital e-contract to accelerate revenue recognition through enterprise contract, but it faced challenges due to compliance and prudential issues. After conducting in-depth interview with 15 informants representing the procurement process, the research identified 13 critical issues affecting contract smoothness. To address these issues and improve event efficiency, the research recommends a clickable e-contract prototype for various pages on My10's application, including account manager, administration support, reviewer, signer, and microsite customer page. The finding from case A to E highlight the importance of understanding user typology through empathetic process. It can generate innovation and improve company performance. The empathy process can provide strategic recommendation or be integrated into a company's program. Insider researchers have advantage in accessing data and communicating with stakeholders, but there are challenges such as time, cost, and policy support. Bias also must be avoided, and accurate information is necessary for effective design thinking process. The empathy process can lead to innovation and good relationship with stakeholders, but overall, the policy support from the company is crucial. That is all my presentation. Thank you.